Films. I'm here in Las Vegas, in front of the New York. Looks just like the Statue of Liberty in New York, but a little bit smaller. This is the perfect time of day because it's right about sunset, 15 minutes before sunset. Sunset is at 8. It's 7:48 p.m. on a Sunday night in Las Vegas. The temperature is currently 105, so it's actually cooled off a little bit today. The high was 110, and I'm going to just take you around in Las Vegas, show you the sights in VR. So if you're outside of Las Vegas and you have a VR headset, you can watch these videos in 8K 3D. Once again, the name is Carl of McLarty Films. I'm going to see if I can grab some interesting tourists and see who's out here tonight. Hey guys, where are you guys from?
Honolulu.
Waikiki?
What's the best thing you've done here in Vegas this trip?
High roller.
yeah.
We just did it.
Just
The Ferris wheel with the bar inside.
thing up there, bro.
Oh, okay. By the link. Yeah, but did you was it hot up there?
Air conditioned, thank God. You're in a pod. And they get you drunk.
What are your plans for the rest of your trip? Are you gonna gamble or shoot guns
We're
or?
gonna try to make some money.
Definitely gonna be gambling for sure. 100%. Blackjack.
Okay. All right, guys. Thanks a lot. Have a good weekend.
Cheers.
Cheers. Aloha.
Hello, guys. Hey, we are here in front of the Bellagio, and this is the Paris across the street. And I saw the most beautiful French girls walking by, and so I wanted to introduce you guys. Can you tell me your names and where you're from?
My name is Card. Okay, so my name is Carla. I'm French, and I live in Lyon. It's not Paris, but it's a good town. I promise.
Okay, so my name is Sarah and I live in Paris.
Okay.
Yeah.
One step forward.
Yeah,
Oh,
for
French.
sure.
Okay, that's a wide angle. Okay, good. And this trip, how hot is it in Las Vegas?
It's extremely hot.
The weather is crazy. Like we are melting all the time. That's
Yeah.
so crazy, even at this time.
How are you staying cool? What do you do to stay cool? Like, how do you cool
Staying in
down?
a hotel. Staying in a hotel.
And what do you think about this Eiffel Tower versus the real Eiffel
She's
Tower?
so small. This one is
So
so
small.
small. When I saw it, I was like, oh my god, this is the same one. And we also have a restaurant in the Eiffel Tower in Paris, but that's so small. That's cute.
Okay. Are you college students or do you work?
No, we are au pair, so we are like a nanny. We are taking care of some kids, and we are living in a host family.
And we are from Rhode Island.
You're from how?
Rhode
We are living
Island.
in Rhode Island.
Rhode Island.
Yeah.
USA.
Yeah.
Are you teaching French as well?
Me, yes. I teach the French
Yeah.
to my host kids. Yeah.
Okay. Can you let me make sure that this is? I want to do a double thing here. Okay, just in case.
Yeah.
I'll do some of it. Okay.
Yeah.
Recording level. Okay. So can you teach us some basic French like I love Las Vegas, but it's too hot or something in French?
Ok. J'adore Las Vegas,
Mais il fait trop chaud.
Il fait trop chaud. It's
Trop
too
chaud.
hot. Il
Too
fait
hot.
trop chaud.
Okay. And you're very fashionable. Can you show us your fashion? Is this from France? Did you buy it in Paris?
No, I buy it in US.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
You look
Okay.
like models.
Okay. Go first.
Not my fake hair. It's not my weird hair. It's fake hair. But that's okay. I hope it looks real. She's super pretty. Thank you so much. Bye, bisous, bisous, bisous.
Bye